here's a tutorial for crash landing. All right, let's see how we can do. Left twirl, bop, 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 or you do a pancake twirl if you're playing match grip, and then dot, 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 dot. That's it. And then diminuendo on this paradiddle pattern here. And then end soft, and then bop, da, dot, da, dot, right twirl. Okay, so we're doing opposite. Then a right twirl, bop, da, dot, da, dot, bop, 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 bop. All right, and then we worked on this. Da, get that do with a right flip. Da, get that do ga, do ga. So half flip. Just da, get that do ga, do ga. Just play that rhythm, and then you can put the back sticking in and the flip. All right. That's it. So the first two lines. Hang on. Again. Okay. Easy enough. That's, just remembering the visuals is the hard part. Once you do it a whole bunch of times, repetition, you're fine. All right, next part. Quite simple. Just watch the accelerando and the crescendo. It's weird, getting soft and fast. All right, so here we go. Letter A. I'll take it slow. 2, 3, and 4. Then we're into letter B. Okay, so let's go to B. Let's play B, D here. Gosh, I'll take 2 before B. 2, ready, and. I forgot that visual. So da 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 da. Flip the right stick and then smack the left hand. Right. We worked on this today, so you guys know this. We'll go on. This part starts really soft and really slow. Just start really slow and then try and get as fast as you can right before letter E. Well, I shouldn't say as fast as you can, but pretty fast. So here we go at letter D. 1 E, 2 E, like a train. All right, 5-stroke roll. Okay, that's it. So it starts to sound like a train, speeding up. All right, so the next part is little Scottish things. So okay, so here's the letter E. I'll do it slow. Played a wrong sticking in there, but that's the right rhythm. We played a little faster. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, almost ended that roll too soon. Okay. All right, next section. This is probably the hardest section with the flams, patafla-flas and stuff. So don't take this too fast. Right here. 2. I'll take it slow first. 2. Ready, and play, and. I really messed up the stickings in there, but I played the right rhythms. Important. All right, so let me do that one again a little faster. Watch the stickings. This thing, check it, starts off the right, left, and then just come in loud. Yeah, okay, so letter F, 2, ready, and play, and. played a flat flam in there. Shame on me. All right, just to watch the sticking in that second measure of S. A little tricky. All right, next part, just little right flips and then left back sticks. So the same thing we did early with left back sticks and right half flips. It's just 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. That's it. Then we go into the paradiddles. Same accent pattern. Paradiddle diddle, paradiddle, paradiddle diddle, paradiddle, paradiddle, pop pop pop, paradiddle, paradiddle. Diminuendo. Okay, and then there you see, you have, it's all just 16th notes. That's just on a cello. So at letter H, you can take as long as you want. You have a little liberty here with time. If you can take as long as you want to speed up that roll and just come in on the downbeat of that 6-stroke roll when you feel like it. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfectly in time. Okay, all right. So I'll give you a little liberty with that one. So make it dramatic. You can go start slow, So speed up. And when you get the tempo you want, okay, but not too fast because the next part coming up is pretty hard if you play it too fast. So make sure that rolls are really, solid. Don't too fast. Okay, but that's that section. So let's move on. The next section is probably the most hard to understand. It's not too bad. It's just the circles are the rim, and then you have back stick. So that's the first measure. And then we have some stick clicks. If you look down the bottom, it tells you what everything is. So that's all it is, right? Shaft here, then shaft, butt, shaft, back stick. All right? That's that measure. And then you have this again. So let me start I to J. 2, ready, and go, and. Okay. You have a double right, 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 going into J. All right, J's a little tricky, but not too bad. It looks like a 6-stroke roll here, the very first count with the back sticking. Let me do it real slow. I would take this super slow. It's the good news is the pattern repeats itself. So with a little fourth bar that's a little different. Here, check it out. J, 2, 3, and. Really, it's very simple. You have 3 bars. The fourth bar is this right, right, right with a 6-stroke roll, and then you back into that pattern, and then the last bar, just right, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, left. Okay. So here's up to tempo, or a little faster. 2, ready, and play, and. Okay, I played the fourth bar wrong, but I tried to keep the 6 tuplets going. So there's a lesson there. Recover or fake it. Just keep playing. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as the rhythm's right. Here we go. Let me do it one more time, a little faster. See that? Okay, 1, 2, ready, and. Smooth. Try to make it smooth, but and then you have this repeat of the beginning. Da 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 da. 1.5 flips. Oh, you said go 1.5. Da da da. Ooh. Okay, so you da 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 da. So you go to your butt, the butt of the stick. Right, flam. Okay, so let me see if I can play through this thing. All right, here we go. Crash landing. 2, ready, and. I played that wrong. Okay, I played a couple both parts in there wrong. I thought I might have missed something in letter C. But here we got the shot. I only play letter C. 2, ready, and. That was right. Okay, that was right. I did play it wrong. Okay, here we go. Getting my sticks. Okay, I'm just building this up. Take your time to build it up. Get a little louder, faster, and then when you're ready, start the next section. Okay, let me do that back second one more time. I messed it up. The third measure. I went to the fourth measure and the third measure. But I kept time and I kept count and I just started to improvise. And it sounded pretty cool. Okay, so here's the letter J. 2, ready, go. Keep clicking my sticks together. Don't do that. I'm not sure why I'm doing that. It's because I'm in a confined area, I believe. So get comfortable, all that stuff. Play it better than I played it. Okay, that's it. Good luck. Crash landing.